Psalm 27 verse 14 says, "Wait for the Lord, be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord." Waiting is hard, especially when your heart is breaking, when your prayers feel unanswered, when your dreams seem delayed. But waiting on God is not wasting time. It's trusting His timing over your own. God's delays are not His denials. They're divine pauses for your protection, for your preparation. Think about David. He was anointed king as a boy, but it took years before he wore the crown. In the waiting, God was shaping him, teaching him, building his character for the calling. You see, the promise is only as strong as the person holding it. And God cares more about who you're becoming than what you're receiving. While you're waiting, God is working. He's opening doors you can't see. He's aligning people and moments for the right season. He's strengthening your spirit. Isaiah 40 verse 31 says, "But those who wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." Waiting isn't passive. It's active trust. It's worship in the hallway. It's faith in the fog. It's saying, "God, I don't see it yet, but I still believe." You don't have to understand the timing. You just have to trust the God who does. Don't rush what God is preparing. Don't force what God is forming. Some doors stay closed because He's protecting you. Some prayers take time because He's growing you. The right thing at the wrong time becomes the wrong thing. God's timing is perfect. Never early. Never late. Always right on time. So hold on. Be patient. Be still. Psalm 37 verse 7 says, "Be still before the Lord and wait patiently for Him." Your waiting season has a purpose, and it won't last forever. God is faithful. He finishes what He starts, and He hasn't forgotten you. So take heart. Be strong. Wait on the Lord. He's worth the wait.